Looking for the best Bosch circular saw but not sure which one is worth your money? In this ranking, we'll go from the weakest option to the strongest performer, so you can quickly find the right saw for your projects. Taking the 5th spot is the Bosch CCS180B. This is the lightest and most compact saw in today's lineup, and it's clearly aimed at users who value portability more than raw cutting power. What stands out right away is how easy it is to handle. At just 6.6 pounds, it feels much less tiring during overhead work or long cutting sessions. The blade-left design helps you see your cut line better, and the built-in dust blower keeps debris from getting in the way. For basic home projects and occasional job site use, it gets the job done without feeling bulky. The downside is that it simply can't compete with the larger saws in this ranking. The smaller blade, lower speed, and reduced cutting depth limit its versatility. If you're regularly cutting thicker lumber or tackling demanding construction work, you'll notice those limitations pretty quickly. This is a good choice for homeowners, DIY users, and anyone who wants a lightweight cordless saw for occasional work. If you need more cutting power and capacity, the next option offers a noticeable step up. By the way, you'll find links to all the saws featured in this review at the best available prices in the description below the video. In 4th place, we have the Bosch CS5. Moving from the compact cordless model to this corded saw brings a major increase in cutting performance. One of the biggest advantages here is the powerful 15-amp motor combined with a very fast 6,200 revolutions per minute blade speed. The blade-left configuration gives excellent visibility, which makes following a cut line much easier. In my experience, that simple design choice can make a big difference when you're working quickly and need accuracy. The reason it doesn't rank higher is that it's missing a few convenience features found on some competitors. There's no dust blower, no electric brake, and it feels more basic overall. While the cutting performance is excellent, the user experience isn't quite as refined as the models above it. This saw makes a lot of sense for users who want strong corded performance without spending extra for premium features. But if you'd like a more complete package, the next saw improves on several of those areas. And while you're watching, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss future tool reviews and rankings. The 3rd place position goes to the Bosch CS10. On paper, it looks very similar to the previous saw, but in actual use it feels a bit more polished. The strong motor delivers reliable cutting power, while the dust blower helps keep your cutting line visible. The magnesium footplate adds durability without making the tool excessively heavy. What I like here is the balance between performance and practicality. It feels like a saw designed for daily use rather than occasional projects. Its biggest weakness is that it's still a corded tool. You're tied to an outlet, and there's no electric brake. Compared to the cordless models above it, mobility is obviously more limited. This is an excellent choice for contractors, serious DIY users, and anyone who wants dependable performance without worrying about batteries. If cordless freedom matters more to you, the next saw starts moving into premium territory. In 2nd place, we have the Bosch GKS18V-25GN. This is where the lineup starts feeling truly professional. The larger blade and strong brushless motor give it cutting performance that gets surprisingly close to many corded saws. One feature that really helps it stand out is track compatibility, allowing for cleaner and more precise cuts. Compared to the corded models below it, you get much greater freedom of movement without sacrificing much performance. The only real drawback is that you'll get the best results when paired with Bosch's high-output batteries, and those add to the overall cost. It's also a bit heavier than smaller cordless options. This saw is ideal for professionals and serious users who want a powerful, cordless solution for a wide range of tasks. But if you're looking for the strongest overall performer in today's ranking, there's still one model left to discuss. Claiming the top spot is the Bosch GKW18V-26N. This saw combines cordless convenience with the kind of cutting capability normally associated with much larger professional tools. The rear handle design provides excellent control, especially during long rip cuts and framing work. It offers the deepest cutting capacity in this comparison, and the brushless motor delivers impressive power. What immediately stands out is how confidently it handles demanding tasks. Whether you're cutting sheet goods or thicker lumber, it feels ready for serious work. Of course, all that performance comes with a trade-off. It's the heaviest saw in this ranking, and you'll want a high-output battery to fully take advantage of its capabilities. Casual users may find it more tool than they actually need. For professionals, framers, and anyone who wants the strongest Bosch circular saw in this group, this is the model I'd point to first. It delivers the best combination of power, capacity, and cordless flexibility. Check out the links in the description below to see the current prices and availability of the top-rated saws from this review. And if you found this comparison helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.